Hey guys, in this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how I make my flock. I make my flock in bulk whenever I need new colors or get low with an existing one. For this, you need paint. My choice is cheap acrylic craft paint. Isopropyl alcohol, aka rubbing alcohol. A regular blender, don't use the one you prep your food in, obviously. A small kitchen assistant, or garlic grinder as they call it. And sponges, as cheap as you can find in your stores. Remove the green parts of the sponge and then either with the help of a hobby knife or with your hands get them in smaller pieces. Or you can use scissors. Once you're done, put them in your blending container. I usually go for 3 parts of rubbing alcohol and 1 part water. The reason that I don't use water only or the other way around is that rubbing alcohol vaporizes way faster than water. This speeds up drying process of the flock. And diluting it with water helps me conserve the rubbing alcohol, which is not that cheap around here. At this point, you can add more water or IPA if you think there is too much sponge in the mix. You just don't wanna overheat your blender. Now it's time to add the paint over the sponge and stir it with a stick. Then blend it all once more. Just a tip here, the tone of color you see here will be a bit lighter in the final result, so you can add darker tones beforehand. When you're done with this, drain the mix with the help of a sieve. I couldn't show this part of the process as I had to do it in the bathroom sink. And lay it over on some baking sheet or foil for it to dry overnight. Once you see they are dry or close to it, load them up in the small blender. This will turn them into much smaller pieces. The longer you keep doing it, the finer your flock will get. That's all for this tutorial video. See you in the next one.